Hey everyone, it's John from Smilin' Radish, and I'm here to show you how to make a perfect cup of coffee. And while we're at it, I want to talk to you a little bit about my new app, BT Notify. Stick around for the whole video to find out what the perfect cup of coffee and a new app have to do with one another.
Start by grinding 2 tablespoons of high-quality beans coarsely. Some purists may object to my using a propeller grinder, but it will grind pretty evenly if you shake the grinder while you grind. You want your coffee to end up with grains that are about twice as big as pre-ground coffee. Put a paper cone filter in a pour-over basket and slowly drizzle hot but not boiling water over the grounds. Your goal is to have the grounds in the water for about 2.5 minutes. While I pour that, let's talk about BT Notify. In my last video, a commenter asked if there was any way to know if the app could be guaranteed to work with their phone and with their car before they buy it. There sure is. Just download the BT Notify free trial version. It has all the features of the paid version, except that it limits the length of messages it can receive. At the end of the message, it will let you know that the message was shortened, and it may even remind you that there's a fully featured version in the Play Store. Now that the coffee is completely brewed, just empty the coffee into a cup and enjoy.
This cup of coffee tastes just as good as anything you can get in a fancy pants coffee shop, and it only cost me 45 cents to make. So I saved you just about $2 on your morning cup of joe. So, if you enjoyed the demo version of BT Notify, stop by the Google Play Store and pick up the full version for only $1.99. Cheers.
So if you enjoyed this demo, please like, share, and follow. And be sure to check back here for more videos and updates on when we launch in the Google Play Store.